guys, check where we are.
What are we doing?
We're over at State Line Powder Coaters. They take care of all of our stuff, and they're having a nice little show and a little get-together, barbecue, say thank you to people. So we decided to come out and do a little video and kind of relax, and it's a little different for us, being that we're not really celebrities here, which is really nice. So I've got Jeremiah with me, and they say he's good on camera.
How's it going?
Yeah,
We'll
how's
have
it
to
going?
see here.
Yeah, I'm all right.
So tell me a little bit about the operation. How long you guys been doing this?
We've been doing it for about a year and a half now, full time.
Full time?
Yes, sir, full time, a year and a half. We do powder coating, dustless blasting, ceramic coating, pretty much any kind of coating you really need.
So a good up and coming company, and you guys import work and ship work out. And
Yes, sir.
Website, the whole bit.
Yes, sir. So Facebook, Instagram.
Plug your website. We'll put it down here.
It's www.statelinepowder.com, or hit us up on Facebook at State Line Powder Coating.
So
Great.
how many custom colors can we get in like powder coat?
6,500 colors.
Oh, just a
65.
few,
So
huh?
they have a few.
Just a couple.
We have a little bit more range in our paints, but our mixing is a little bit different than theirs.
Well, yeah.
So, and then how durable is this stuff?
It's a lot more durable. It's very durable against chips from rocks on your wheels and tires. It lasts a lot longer with the sun baking down on it and stuff.
Oh, yeah.
Pretty much lifetime almost.
That's
So
amazing.
UV protectant,
Yes, sir.
chemical protectant,
Yes,
the
sir.
whole bit. So do you want to show us around the shop a
Sure.
little bit? So over here we've got what? One of your tanks?
Yes, sir. That's a hydro dipping tank.
So are you guys going to get into the hydro
Yes, sir.
dip?
Yes, sir.
Nice.
Okay, sweet. So we're going to have another hydro dipper.
Yeah,
It's like our
that's
last
good.
one sold as business.
Oh, man.
So-
Yeah.
Let's show me one of your ovens here.
This right here is the spray booth. This is where we apply all of our powder, clean, prep, all the fun stuff.
So they just keep this the room clean and then dust free. Pretty
Yeah.
much. And it goes directly over your ovens?
Yes, sir.
And then, so how hot do these ovens get?
Anywhere from 400 to 500 degrees, depending on what the cure temp on the powder is.
So how do you do aluminum?
400 degrees.
And aluminum won't melt.
No, sir.
Kind of
It will not melt.
Oh, that's even better.
Wow.
So we've got a project coming up. So
About the only thing that you cannot powder coat is magnesium.
yeah, because that'll
It'll-
explode.
it-
I was going to say,
Pretty much.
that would be the last project you do.
It really won't explode in here. It will, like on a magnesium wheel, it will warp the wheel.
Yeah.
It'll
So it makes it
weaken it.
Yeah, it makes it structurally just
Yes.
like that. So you got hydro coating coming up. You've got ceramic coating for high temperatures. You've got a few a few colors to do.
Just a few, huh?
So go ahead and give your phone number and website again.
It's 256-679-1988. Ask for Jeremiah. And our website is www.statelinepowder.com.
Okay, so him and I got some hot dogs to go eat. So you can go get your own. Happy Memorial Day, everybody. And for the guys who never made it home, thank you.